Hello everybody. As per the demand of the tutorial for editing video in 4K by using the artificial intelligence, AI. This video is special for the Android user who is really struggling to make higher quality. Chill out. I'm here.
Let's go. Wait, you need to download the application called Wink. Check application name in detail. You're gonna see a lots of icon for the video. Click on AI repair. Click on try on. After that, click the video that you wanna edit it. Or else you just follow me. Now from here it's very important. Tap on the icon and increase everything to high. Right now I'm teaching you guys the most easy way to improve the quality of the video using artificial intelligence. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Your small contribution motivate me a lot. If you want to learn how to do photo editing, do follow me Instagram link in description. After finish processing, you gonna see the results of the video. Turn your device. Now you gonna see the results before versus after. Did you see the difference now? Well done guys. Now your video is completed. Enjoy and see you soon. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and comment. Ta-ta bye-bye.